Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Mrs. Recorder. I am Mukul Sarma of the teacher. Today also I shall discuss some problem which are in exercise number 7.3. Last class also I have discussed some problem. Today's problem, first problem is question number 7, which is find R if 5PR is equal to 2 into 6PR minus 1. Solution. 5PR is equal to 2 into 6p r minus 1. This can be written as factorial 5 minus r factorial. This can be written as factorial 6 minus this 6 minus r minus 1. This is factorial. Which is factorial 5 minus r factorial 2 into factorial 6. This can be 6 and plus, this is plus, minus 6 plus factorial 5 factorial 5 minus r factorial. That is, we can write 6 into factorial 5 here. Factorial 6 and 6 into factorial 5, so that we can cancel this 5 factorial and 5 factorial. And next, this is 6 plus 1, 7 minus r factorial. This factorial 5 minus r factorial 2 into 6 into factorial 5. We can split this in this way. 7 minus 1. Next step, 1 will decrease. This is 7 minus r minus 1. That is 6 minus r. Next step, that is 1 will decrease from here. That is 5 minus r. We have to stop here. Now we can cancel factorial 5 minus r factorial 5 minus 1. Here 1 is equal to 2, 6, 12. That is, we have to multiply this 42 minus 7r 6r minus 13r plus r square. I have to factorize this. This implies 1 is equal to, this implies 42 minus 13r plus r square is equal to 12. We can write this as r square minus 13r if 12. 42 minus 12 is equal to 0. R square minus 13r plus this is 30. Now we have to factorize this. This is 6, 5, 10, 3. Yeah, 10 r plus 3r 30 is equal to 0. This is, we r take common. R minus 10, r minus 3. Therefore, r is equal to 10 or 3. But we cannot take r as 10. R cannot be equal to 10 here, because if r is equal to 10, then 5p, this will be 5p10, which is quite impossible. 5p10 is quite impossible. Therefore, r cannot be equal to 10 here. So r is equal to 3. Next problem, that is using the letters in the odd. Using one letters in one odd, how many odds can be formed using the letters of the odd equation, taking all the letters? At first we have to find out how kimanta letters ase. Number of letters in the odd equation is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here no letters is repeated. Here E is 1, Q is 1 times, U also 1 times. So number of, if we take all the letters, আমি যদি গোটেইকেইটা নাম্বাৰ লৈ ইকুৱেশ্যন শব্দটোৰ পৰা কিমানটা অড বনাব নাম্বাৰ অফ লেটাৰ্ছ taking number of words, taking all the letters is equal to, this is 8p8, and this can be written as factorial 8. This can be written factorial 8, and we can find out what is the value of factorial 8 here by 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, 3 into 2. This we can easily find out the value from here. Got again number of that kimanta equation শব্দটোৰ পৰা আমি কিমানটা ইয়াৰ লেটাৰবিলাক ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি কিমানটা আমি অড বনাব পাৰিম. After multiplication we get this result. Next problem, without repeating the letters in the odd, how many, without repeating a letter in one odd, eta letter repeat horibo নোৱাৰে, how many odd can be formed by the letters of the word Monday? Condition is taking 4 letters at a time. Solution: number of letters in the word Monday is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. If we take 6 letters at a time, then a number of odds will be factorial 6. But here given taking 4 letters at a time, number of words by taking 4 letters at a time is equal to, this is 6p, this is factorial 6, this is, that is factorial 6 by factorial. You can easily find the value 6. This is 5, 4, 3, that is 2. 2 factorial. We can cancel 2 factorial. That is 30. Now that 360. Taking all the letters, if we take all the letters, number of words by taking all the letters is equal to, this is 6p6, which is can be written as factorial 6, and factorial 6 is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 2 into 1, that is 30, 12 into 2, this is 720, that is taking all letters but starting with vowel. Number of words taking all the letters but starting with vowel. So first place can be filled in 1, that is taking all the letters but starting with vowels. Therefore, here this is 6 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First place can be filled in. First place we can fill in. How many vowels are there? Yet vowel kimanta ase available? A aru O ase. But the first place can be filled in 2 ways, because we can place only O or A in this place, because each word should start with vowel. যেহেতু স্বৰবৰ্ণৰে গোটেইখিনি আৰম্ভ হ'ব লাগিব, গতিকে ইয়াত আমি স্বৰবৰ্ণ দিব লাগিব, আৰু স্বৰবৰ্ণ আমাৰ দুটা আছে, গতিকে সেই দুটাৰ যিকোনো এটাহে দিব পাৰিম ইয়াত। সেইকাৰণে ফাৰ্ষ্ট প্লেচ কেন বি ফিল্ড ইন 2 ways, second place can be filled in we can use any letters, but we cannot use the which letter is used in the first place. Therefore it is 5 ways, because there are 6 letters, 1 letter is used here. এটা ইতিমধ্যে আমাৰ ইয়াত ব্যৱহাৰ হৈছে, গতিকে ইয়াত 6টা আছিল, এটা গ'ল, গতিকে 5টা থাকিল, 5 ways. Third place can be filled in 4 ways. Fourth place can be filled in 3 ways. Fifth place can be filled in 2 ways. And sixth place finally, sixth place can be filled in 1 ways. Therefore number of letters, number of words in this case is equal to 2 into 5 into 4, 3, 2, and this is 10 into 24, 240. That is 240. So, this is the problem. Next problem, that is how many permutation can be formed by the letters of the word Mississippi. There's and solution. Number of letters in the word Mississippi is equal to, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here number of S. Number of S 1, 2, 4. Number of I, that is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number of P, that is 2. But M is 1 times, so we cannot write this. So how many number permutation. Number of permutation. Taking all the letters. Taking all the letters. This is factorial 11, that is total. Factorial 11, and we have to divide this because number of that side s আছে গতিকে এটাত কৰি বেছি যিবিলাক আছে এইবিলাক আমি ডিভাইড কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াত চাৰিটা আছে this is the number of permutations next part is if all i's are together. In this case, we can consider there are 4 i's. There are 4 i's. So, in this case, if we consider all the 4 i's as one letter, then one such letter, one such word may be, we can consider one such letter, one such word may be type এনেকুৱা হ'ব পাৰে I ইয়াত I চাৰিটা মই একেলগে দিছোঁ S P S S P 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. If all i's are together, this type of letter we have to form. If we consider 4 i's as one letter, the number of letters will be 1. This will consider 1 letter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we consider all letters, all the 4 letters, 4 i's as one letter, then number of letters is equal to, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There. Where number of P equal to 4, number of P2, that is number of S is equal to 4. Then number of permutation is equal to factorial 8. Total here, total letters are 8, and in this 8 there are 2 p's and 4 s. This is the results if all i's are together. Next class also we shall discuss some problem and about the concept of permutation.